I did the back, and then I continued the row towards the front, so I know for sure I had those outlined, or pre-parted, not outlined, pre-parted. Alright guys, so it's the next morning and I have finished 2 additional sections on my hair. It is now 11:33. I just finished the second section about 11:30. Let's see, I started about 9:30 this morning. The first section took me about 30 minutes to do, and then the next section took me about an hour and 15 minutes. So far this morning I've done an hour and 45 minutes worth of work and installation on my hair. So I just wanted to show you how far I've gotten. So this morning I did this piece right here and this section right here, these two. I did 1, 2, 3 yesterday, and then these 2 this morning. So yeah, one thing I have been noticing though, I know I've always had an issue with dry scalp, but I feel like my scalp is extremely dry and flaky. I'm noticing as I go throughout installing my locks. So I'm not sure what's going on, but if you guys have any good oils that you use that work for your hair, whether it's your own homemade concoction or something you buy, go ahead and leave some suggestions down below, because I understand that what might work for someone might not work for another person. Like some people swear by coconut oil, some people swear by olive oil, both of which I've used, and for some reason I find them both drying, especially when I add them to my scalp. I feel like coconut oil really gives me a little bit of build up on my scalp, and olive oil dries out my scalp. So that's why most times I try to just apply it to my hair, but on my scalp it's a no-go. So if you have any suggestions though, just drop them down in the comments. I would love to see what you're using if you're someone who deals with dry scalp. But yeah, it's ridiculous. So anyways, that's how far I've gotten so far. I've decided to take a break and go get something to eat, and then I'm gonna continue installation. I'm making good progress, so hopefully today I can get most of it done. Fingers crossed, I'll see. But yeah, I'm liking how it's turning out so far. So just wanted to stop in and give you guys a quick update. All right guys, so it is later in the day. Quite a few hours have passed since I last spoke to you guys. Let me bring you guys up a bit. And I'm back looking crazy, but I just finished this front section of my hair. So I believe the last time we spoke I had done this part and this part. Since then I have done this part, and this part. So since I last spoke to you, I've done 3 sections. Let's see, I have been doing my counting right here. These are my hours. I'm logging my time. So far for today, I have spent 6 hours 50 minutes doing my hair. So these 3 sections, well no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sections today for a total of 6 hours 50 minutes so far. It is 8:45. I'm probably gonna do 1 more section for tonight and call it quits. So far 2 days. I started yesterday, so today's the 2nd day. It's been a total of 10 hours so far, so it's taking a long time. I just wanted to show you, as I just finished this section again, I tried to install the same amount of locks on each side, but you will see that the density is much different. My hair is much thicker on the left side than it is on the right. So even though I have the same amount of locks on each side, this side appears thicker than this side. And you will see here in the size of the locks how thick they look, even though each row has the same number of locks. These locks look much thinner and these look much thicker. It is what it is. I just try to install the same amount of locks per section so far. But yeah, I just wanted to touch base with y'all and show you what my hair is looking like. All I do, why my hair is so curly, once I finish a section, I just do a bantu knot. That's all I do. I just wrap it up in a bantu knot to keep it up and out of the way. But yeah, I've not been counting. I won't be counting as I go along. That's already too much to do. So yeah, So I just wanted to touch base with you. That's how far I've gotten so far. So I think I had a total of 12 sections I've done between yesterday and today. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 7 sections. So I think I have about maybe 5 more sections to go. Alright, good morning guys. It's day number 3 and we're back at it again. I am tired. My back was hurting yesterday because I was standing on my feet for pretty much about 8 hours yesterday trying to do this. So my back was aching, my feet was swollen, I was tired. So I'm trying to get this done. I don't know that I'll finish today, but fingers crossed. So it's day 3 and I've started parting again. I have these 2 sides parted and the back. When I last spoke to you guys last night, I think I did 1 more row, which took me about another 50 minutes. So I think when I showed you guys the update, I had like 3 sections at the back left. But when I was trying to part it, it was not coming out right. So what I did, I just combined the remaining 3. So I think I had like 3 separate pieces. So I just combined them in one. And so what I did last night was I just section a piece in this section, take a half circle at the back, and then line it up with this section. Let me just show you. Pretty much it's the same like here. I did my half circle back here and then I lined it up with the front, and so I'm just gonna keep going like that till I finish the back here, and then I'll continue with the front. But that's where I'm at right now, and I'm gonna keep doing that and working and see how far I get today. But I have some run-ins to do, so I really don't know how many hours I'm gonna be able to put into it. But yeah, so it is now, let's see, I spent about 20 minutes this morning just doing the parting and the sectioning, and so it's now 8:50. I'm probably gonna install this 1 hour and then head out and then come back and see, because I do have like from 4:30, it's probably gonna be a hard stop, but we'll see. Hi guys. Okay, so I'm back with another update or progress update, progress status. I know from the looks of it, it doesn't look like I've made any progress, but I kid you not, I have made progress. So yes, I have 2 sections here, and that is because I wanted to finish parting the back of my head to get that done, because I do have to go take care of my niece, and so I wanted to make sure the back was done. But as I said before in the last update or last clip, as I'm working the back, I'm also making like half circles around to go to the front. So that's why I have these 2 sections here. It's because I did the back and then I continued the row towards the front, so I knew for sure I had those outlined or pre-parted, not outlined, pre-parted. And then I have this section left here, which could probably take another 3 rows each. So yeah, so that I don't have a problem doing because I can always do that at my sister's, you know, because obviously I can use a front mirror, but I wanted to make sure I take care of the back, because the back I needed another mirror at the back of my head so I can see what I was doing. So the back is done. Let me grab my mirror here and show you. So the back is done. Just trying to see. So this is what the back is looking like. I tried to maintain the line all the way up, but here it didn't quite work out too well, but that's fine, totally okay. I'm not gonna make it a big deal. So yeah, I am done with the back. So far, let's see, installation time has been, I think, let me check my journal here. Yeah, so I started at 8:18 this morning, and then I took breaks in between, and then I had to run out about after 10. So total time for today's installation so far, 2 hours 20 minutes, and this is day 3. So yeah, I imagine I have quite a bit more hours to go to finish up the front, but that's where we are. I just wanted to give you a quick update. Like I said, I'm liking the installation. I'm liking how it's going so far. I'm really proud of how it's turning out so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep working, and then I'm hoping I can maybe finish tonight because I do have church tomorrow. So it would be great if I could finish this up tonight. Fingers crossed. Alright guys, obviously maybe the next time you guys see me, not maybe, I'm not going to do another update until I'm finished. So if I'm finished tonight, you will see me tonight. If not, which I'm pretty sure you might not even see me even if I finish tonight, but definitely I will come back and show you guys the finished results, obviously. So yeah, the next update you will see is when I'm actually done, because homegirl is tired. My feet are starting to look a little swollen, so I need to get this done. All right, let me get back to work.